Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Let's see, it's June 25th when I'm recording this, and I'm going to be gone for the week. But I think the timing's going to be okay with that because we know that the market has been very, very overbought over the last, I don't know, couple weeks. And so really we're just waiting and watching the market pull back. There have been a few names that have actually been going up while the market has pulled back. This is a time that you look for strength. You want to see what names are not going down nearly as much as the market or are holding their gains or heck, even going up during this time. And you kind of look at this, you can see that this up move, this jump right there, is very similar to what we saw back in 2020, and even during a raging bull market. You can see here big jump, and each of those eventually pulled back until they found their own respective double bottoms. So I don't know if it's going to be exactly like that, but what I do think is going to happen is I think that the market's going to need a fair amount of time to digest that big of a move. And the other thing I'm kind of looking at is if we do look at the UVXY, it's showing no signs of fear. You know, I was kind of looking at this earlier. I was thinking, hey, maybe we're going to get a little bit of a bump. Absolutely nothing. All it did is it flagged a little bit into the hourly 50 and continued to move down. You wouldn't even know that the market is pulling back right now. So, we'll have to see if there are any kind of moves that this thing is going to do. But I think what it's telling us is that there's not too much fear out there. So yes, I think the market needs to kind of come down, unwind a little bit, and get ready for the next move. But it just seems to me there's not any fear, and so I would just be looking for whenever the market or individual names come down into support, and then decide to move up from there. And we'll just have to figure out when that timing is. So yeah, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.